wumve sikia
magazi yari nyamaterwa ngaguhunga yigabije baragimeta nkuru zivugiye mu rugerero we yemwe we genda kimomura twite isho ngukundiye urumuntu mugabo mu muco w'abanyarwanda
kirazira
kwigunga uri kumwe n'abapampe abasarada bakunda cyane
aho
genda kimomura twite
sozera twirebera filime yacu
ngukundiye urumuntu mugabo
bimeze bite
habiri zaraza gisara batwara cyangwa utabundi umuhanzi udahana yitwa nzinzi wanzigiye yemwe we genda kimomura twite icyo gushimiye urumuntu mugabo
kimomo ngaratwitse
ibagirwa ibindi byo gukanda guhera none fata telefoni yawe ukande akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri 1 urwego ubona ibitangaza aho ushobora kugura umuriro amayinite ifatabuguzi rya StarTimes ukagabanyirizwa buri uko uguze kanda akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri 1 urwego uranshimira nyuma ifashe easy and affordable for you kadashya
hey ayo basi narakubwiye ngo murukumvisha ngo ni kimomo bundi yari impamvu rega umuntu aba yitwa kimomo inkuru iba yarabaye kimomo hiti yaratumbagiye ubu baratwumva n'ibwota amasimbi bimeze bite ndacyari namba uno natangiye mbayoboshe inkoni y'icyuma mbona barakigira nabi ubu mbayoboshe agasuzuguro babasobanuzi bavugaga umba yobosha agasuzuguro cyakora icyo basigayeho ni kimwe nabemereye basigaje kujya hirya no hino bamvuga nabi bansebye ariko mu bikorwaho ndacyabayobosha agasuzuguro cyakora nabemereye kumvuga da kavuga nabi bakareba ko ari icyajya mbere ariko mu bikorwa ndacyayobosha inkoni y'icyuma bimeze bite ubundi banyita namba uno abanzi ntago bangereranya abamenye ntago banshidikanyaho nuko tutangiye filime yacu Lions Gate Presents ku gasobanefilms.com nozusohokera bimeze bite iyi filime wabonye filime nyinshi David Hackel iyi filime niye sibyo noneho n'amadolari 7 Scott Eastwood uyu mugabo ni icyamamare Kevin Durant aba bakiryi ni ibyamamare we nje misegiramo n'ubwoba n'abastari kano filime bagahuriyemo Tyrese Gibson yaguciriye na za kiniki Mel Gibson uramuzi hey Dangerous iyo filime yacu Dangerous cyewe hey kudutangiye filime yacu kurikira filime ikindi cyiza cyane cy'umwihariko sobanura ijambo kurindi filime uko bayanditse ni kuyimenya nasoma nize neza sindi nk'ababana baza bagasakuriza muri filime bameze nk'abari kogeza umupira bigize Fuad niko bigize Axel birani ibiki barakwereka ubugabo dutangiranye yaje akurino hari urwandiko bari bamwoherereje amaze kurufata agaruka mu nzu kugira ngo umenye ko umugabo atari umuntu mwiza fungura
happy birthday
bite di isabukuru nziza
can celebrate it together
nakifuje ko tuyiselebrate turi kumwe
more months and your parole is done
ariko arabura amezi makenya kuba leta yaragure ku by'agateganyo bikaba birangiye ku buryo wajya ariho hose
love Guardian Island
kino kirwa bita Guardian Island imbaho ni cyiza
so beautiful
hano hantu ni heza pe
I really think I found what I've been looking for
bisa nkaho ngeze kuri iki kirwa nabonye icyo nashaka cyose
Freddie say hi
Susan na Freddy baragusuhuza
little brother Sean
yari murumuna wanjye wawe Sam yitwa D leta nyine asa nkaho yigeze gufungura leta ikamurekura isaha ye iyisonnye anywa ibinini uyu mugabo isa nkaho ari kuri parole kuba barakurekure kugira ngo witware neza nabona witwaye neza n'ubakurekure burundu mugabo ari hano abayuhira ibyo yuhiro bimeze bite uko tutangiye filime yacu mugabo mu nzabamo aterura ku byuma n'iki ashyira akantu undi musore wese ka siporo ni ingenzi barakwereka nyuma y'igihe yarongeye bamwoherereza urwandiko rebe nahari nakubwiye ngo
Happy
Thanksgiving
cold here on the island
hano hantu ku kirwa rakonje
these renovations before the holiday
ndacyari kuvugurura kino kirwa utuntu twaje twinyubako
over my head this time
kuri inshuro meze neza ndi gutekereza neza nakifuje ko wakabaye uri hano shimurumuna we murumuna wahora umwandikira ngo abakukirwa ahantu kwa rutwe ari kuri novetinga to mugabo nyitozo byose bikora mu nyubako mindani umusore dutangiranye umwandikira ni murumuna we bimeze bite nakubwiye ngo wabonye filime nyinshi iyi bayise ngo iki Dangerous haramwandikira tumbabarire
December 8th
Shani yapfuye murumuna wawe tuzamushyingura itariki 8 z'ukwezi kwa 12 wa murumuna umaze iminsi amwandikira yapfuye sasa yukwegama ku rugi rw'inzu ye yumva rurangaye wa murumuna wamaze iminsi abakukirwa kugera mu nzu ye usanga arakagabo kareba gutyo ntubikore kagabo twasiga kuye yimbunda bigenze bite ku kanya barakwereka hafi kuri iyo nyubako hari abandi bahise bazamuka bihuse cyane SWAT mu nyubako y'umugabo kurikira filime witonze kira tukiri SWAT muri yanzu ya wa musore twatangiranye bamwita ngo ni D barakwereka inzu ibintu byamenaguritse bisa nkaho ari abarwaniye twasize ari ikigabo bonye mu nzu ye barinjira bana bashinzwe umutekano ni SWAT umugabo bari bamubwiye ati umuntu wamaze iminsi apfuye azashingurwa itariki 8 kugera muri dushe arimo amaraso hano hari ikiriyo kure bano kakagabo kwinjira mu nzu ya D yakambuye imbunda aravunagura nimba yabikoze ate cyewe aracyari muzima agira amagara b'imiti abaganga bazamuvura katururi mu nzu y'umugabo kureba imiti n'umusore yanywaga yayihawe n'umuganga bita Dr. Adwood n'igisaya cyikuyeho icya gisaya wambara kugira ngo bamenye aho uri turi Cleveland muri Ohio Mel Gibson ramoneko
Special Agent Shaughnessy
Baita Special Agent Shaughnessy Kandebe kature badge yawe good special agent
Special agent.
do you feel special bikigariko good special agent none se iyo wimvumva uri special koko ni igisaza ni ikiganga bamwita Mel Gibson ni icyamamare
goes by the name of D. Dylan Forrester.
Yesu ufite umurwayi witwa D cyangwa se Dylan Forrester yego ni wafura kuri ya musore
Dylan Forrester. The man you prescribed these.
umugabo witwa Dylan Forrester wari warandikiye ino miti
I ate that D.
tumwita D Forrester
He's one of my most interesting, most promising patients.
numwe mu barwayi mfasha bakimeze nkaho rwose batanga icyizere ko bazamera neza vuba
Why?
He broke his parole.
ejo yangije
Where he is?
gahunda twari rukuru leta gufungura nyine umusore yangije paroli barakurekura nyine bakara ko yitwara neza icyano kigakurwa burundu iyo yitwaye nabi baragusubizamo
Tempted. Well, that's progress in a strange kind of.
usura musore rameze neza
Are you sure it wasn't self-defense?
ese umuntu yakubise ntiyari ari kwirwanaho
Then left him hanging in his bathroom.
yakubise umuntu amumanika muri dushe
Oh,
nk'iyo umanika isuyime mva ikiganga ariko nacyo ni ikigori
working with D and I have been working together.
uwo dimaze igihe mukorera dukorana
Put his past behind him.
ngira ngo ahahise mpamushyira inyuma bano ni babaganga nyine bakuganiriza ufite nk'ihungabana utameze neza mu mutwe akakubwira imiti uzajya ubundi akakuganiriza
It just doesn't seem the kind of thing that he would do.
gusa ibyo bintu byo gukubita abantu ni ibintu atakurira musore nk'umuntu umaze iminsi murwaje
It was me who put D. Forrester in prison
ni njyewe wafunze D Forrester amushyira muri gereza imyaka 8 ishize
on what he's capable of.
njyewe icyo ashoboye ndakizi twamufungiraga kwica
Perhaps you and I should have a session.
No,
njyewe nawe rero tuzamuganiriza
no thanks.
oya
D has paid his debt to society.
D igihano mwamuhaye yaragifungiwe yarakirangije
Therapy and my behavioral modification technique.
yari ari kuri therapy ndi kumuvura kandi agenda agaragaza ko azamera neza kugira ngo yigaragaze muri sosiyete neza
Live a relatively normal life.
A normal.
yongera abeho ubuzima busanzwe
There is a big difference in what's normal for
hari itandukaniro hagati ya D n'ubuzima busanzwe bw'abantu ntabwo yabushobora Dr. Adwood
You know you're obligated to contact the authorities.
urabizi kwemera guhamagara ubuyobozi
Patients might do themselves or others harm.
mu gihe umwe mu burwayi urwaje ubonye hari ikibi yakora kuki utaduhamagaye
I don't know where D is.
D ntabwo nzahana ariko
I'm sure you understand that confidentiality is the basis.
kandi muri kano kazi kacu k'ubuganga dukora ikintu cya mbere tugenderaho ni confidentiality ibanga ry'umurwayi
Doc.
I'm sorry you feel that way. Well, unless you have some kind of court order.
keretse niba urukiko rwaguye urupapuro rwo kuza kumfunga n'ubundi nsohokera mu nzu nuko abari abakora nta kuza witwaje ngo ufite badge yarakubwira ati ariko nimba nta rupapuro rukwemera kuza mu nzu yanjye kumbaza n'ibibazo byinshi busohotse turacyafite ibindi byo kwitaho abantu bazi uburenganzira bwabo mu nceri kugira ngo hari umuntu wakwinjira mu rugo rwawe kuko yiboneye
Your place.
banza guca kubavuka nk'ijana
He's not a threat.
icyo nababwira uwo musore nta kibazo ateje pe njyewe nari maze iminsi murwaje uriya musore nta kibazo ateje kari kutubwira kandi uriya musore kuko bamusanze mu rugo iwe ababibonye babibonye. Nibutse ufite imodoka ifite ikibazo, igaraje rya Didisha, iryo garaje riba hariya kuri Cafe du Siècle, kwirange bararoze.
Shaughnessy.
Shaughnessy.
Younger brother, Professor Sean Forrester, is some big-brain history scholar.
Ati twamaze kumenya amakuru ko ari umuvandimwe wa D witwa Sean. Ko bamubonye ahantu ku kirwa n'era amazi iminsi aba. Ahantu mbega yafunguye akabari nyine usanga gatanga bed and breakfast.
Place called Guardian Island.
Ko bahita Guardian Island.
Get me someone in the Washington State Police.
Mpamagarira abantu muri Washington Police turi kutwaboherezayo.
Got it.
Sawa. Bamenye ko urumva nimba umuntu utangiye guhigwa na leta batavuga ati yarafite muri muna wenda uri ku kirwa ashobora kuba yahungiye kwa bene wabo, dutangira kuguhigira kwa bene wanyu no mu nshuti zawe iyo twakubuze cyangwa akaba ukunda kunyweramo. Ese urwunge niye ukunda kurunywera cyane cyane wakoze icyaha bakunda kuguhigira kuko bavuga atahana nywera urwunge ntago yahacika kuko umuntu wanyweye ku rwunge ntago yarufaho. Barakwereka umusore kuko yese afata ubwato yerekera Guardian Island. Taturori uramubona ariko Yesu aza kukirwa. Ikirungo cy'abagabo muri umuna we Sean. Kandi Sean batubwiye ngo yapfuye. Muri umuna we.
Back to the mainland.
Jensuye kuri mainland. Bano rubwato bwa basherifu. Uri kumwe n'abari abapfuye se. Wapfuye ari umuvandimwe wanjye. Kuri iki kirwa umuntu wapfuye baramuzi. Ikirwa kiba ari nk'agasantere gato aho bagize ibyago haba hazwi. Nuko natwe twakuza ahantu bakoresheje ubukwe tuba tuhabona insina zihari bavuga ati reka mbe maciye mu kanya ndagaruka ku gasuti ndanywaho tu ko byamera kose. Katurori suri ya jano ni ku kirwa musora za hano kumuvandimwe nabwiraga ati hari akantu kameze nk'akabari cyangwa akamoteri banaryamamo kuvugurura. Rebe inshuti n'umuryango ba Sean Forrester nibo bemerewe kuza mu kiri.
Sorry, Q, your new shiny object.
That is
honestly, Joe. He's a little weird. I think he's trouble.
Cyane nabonye ko you ashobora kuba ari ikibazo. Bari kuganira. Wibuke kari muri umuna we.
I'm trying to look after you.
Oh,
Bari hano bari kuganira ro babonye. Rebe filime z'ubwenge ubundi nukuzitangira. Umusore avayo. Umusore yari rafunzwe.
D. Forrester.
Banta D. Forrester.
Brother.
Muvandimwe wa Sean. Kariza.
Sean room 12.
Ndagushyira mu cyumba 12. Rebe muri hotel bita Novarandi. Novarandi bafunguye n'ishami. Ntago twari tuzi kuri buze kuza. Umusore menya batamwizera. Hanakomeje kureba birimo.
So they're all in the back with Sean.
Bose bari inyuma bari kumwe na Sean umurambo wenyine. Urashaka kujya bari?
I need to use my room first.
Reka mbanze nje mu cyumba cyanjye.
How would I show you up?
Reka nkwereke icyumba uri bujyemo. Rebe. Ni ya moteri ya murumuna wenyine murumuna we yiberaga ku kirwa. Katururi. Ujye bari baramufungiye kwica. Bamaze kumurekura ari kuri parole bareba ko imyitwarire yaba myiza bakamukorekya burundu. Yisafuna umuntu bari guhigwa.
Here's your key.
Hano hahoze ari ibirindiro bya Navy mukubita urufunguzo rwe. Ntavuga amagambo menshi. Umugabo aratuje. Gusa icyo yakoreye umugabo twakibonye. Hey. Filime bayise Dangerous. Arabanza hindura ikote.
Sorry for your loss.
Ananditse ati mwihangane kubwo rw'ibyago mwagize.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Ariko repeto tugamba ari buze kuvuga. Ntago amenyereye gutanga condoleance. Ariko itoza ukuntu ari buze kuyivuga. Noye yamaze kuvuga condoleance uyambira umuntu wagize ibyago akitoza kuyambira ndayambira abantu nese nabyazi nibanda. Imaze guhumuriza umuntu umbwira ngo condoleance uramuyambira.
Is there anything I can do to help?
Ubundi ukayitubaza umuntu wagize ibyago ati se ari cyo nagukorera cyagufasha. Arikumva? Nyine ari kugerageza wibaza utugamba ari bubwira abagize ibyago ubwo ni nka famiye kuko nawe yagize ibyago ni murumuna we wapfuye ubundi ugakora ku rutugu rw'umuntu wagize ibyago gahoro garuka amubwira ati ahangane akumwe bahoza akana mbega ni urugoryi nimba ruba mu yihe si ntabwo kiza ukuntu nyine wahumuriza umuntu agakonda ariko ntababeshye nanjye ntabyo nzi isaha y'isoni nye buri gihe ahitanywe ikinini uyu mugabo afite umuganga afite babaterapisite bamuvuraga afite uwamuvuraga umugabo nk'abo usanga afite ihungabana na mu mutwe byarashaguye cyane kubera afungiye no kwica yarahumuye
John, tell that son of a bitch anything, am I right?
Yashan.
History, science, anthropology, brain like a goddamn elephant.
Bakiri kuganira ku kuntu uriya mugabo wapfuye arazi ubwenge nta kintu atarazi yebe siyansi biki we mucicike ruinji asa nk'atamenyereye abantu sakura muri muna we wapfuye ihe mukecuru mama
sorry for your loss.
Condoleance.
Touch me.
Ntunkoreho yaragiye kumuyambira bimwe yasomye
Nerve coming here.
uranatinyuka kuba wajana
Someone said friends and family.
ariko tangazo ryavuga ko inshuti n'abanyamuryango bari bazi wari ku ruhe ruhande muri ibyo bibiri
Sorry?
biki uyu ni mama we
Already said that.
warabyivugiye
Is there anything else you want to say to me?
hari ikindi uvushaka kumbwira ari gutongana na mama we wapfuye ni murumuna we mama ari kumusomera oya
Perfect.
sawa
It's just perfect.
aho ni sawa nyine mukecuru leta yikubita aragenda menya iki cyana muri famiye banacyanga cyase kititwara neza ku buryo na murumuna we yapfuye muri ko famiye abazungu none baragakemuye wagira ngo babanye na Kora n'ubuzima bwabo bwose gushyingura ni babantu batanu bane guhuruza abantu ngo amuza yapfuye Kigali yose amaraso agahagarara abantu bagata akazi kabo zikubera ibintu biri mu bisubiza shani igihugu inyuma gasanga twataye akazi kora mu nzara z'umuvandimwe yapfuyemo ibintu bisa nk'umukara kureba ku ijosi yabona hari ikintu kimeze nk'urukovu nk'urusebe basa nk'aho banadoze nimba wapfuye byimenye rucisheni nanjye ariko njye ntabwo nzapfa yamanutse ku gikwa ese ko bacyita igikwa kiba kimeze nk'urwego vuga mukuru muri mune wapfuye
You got my letter.
inzandiko twohereje wazibonye
No, you would come.
nakwandikiye nazi kuri buze kuza
Glad you're here.
nishimiye kuri hano
Nice things about you.
murumuna we yajyaga kuvuga ibintu byiza jewe
was the nice one.
Shani yari umuntu mwiza kuri njye murumuna we
I am so sorry about Linda.
babarire kubwa mama wawe Linda menye yarakaye nyine mama yitwa Linda
Why is she upset?
kubera iki yarakaye
Because her son just died.
kubera ko umwana we yapfuye ikigoryi ibintu kiba kibaza
Days ago.
Is there anything that I can do to help?
ese hari ikintu nakora ngo ngufashe
Okay. You just let me know, okay?
uze kumenyesha sibyo
I'm supposed to say that.
musore
You were a little hard on Dee back there.
umuhungu wawe ariko nawe umubwiye nabi hari inyuma uwo ni D
On D? You can't feel anything. That's the whole problem. You have no idea what I've been through, Susan.
Susan we ntabwo usibye nanyuzemo
Has done.
ntabwo usibye uriya mwana wanjye diye kuri famiye yacu
How many cops came knocking on our door at the middle of the night, waking us up?
abapolisi barashobora dukomangira nijoro baradukangura na Shani
So hard doing his best to be good enough for
mu gihe Shani yari ari kwiga kugira ngo arebe ko yaza akavaringa icyuho cy'umuvandimwe we
all due respect to my daughter-in-law. Just pour it and shut it.
we nimba ushaka kutivanga mu by'umuryango wanjye nsukira inzoga uzibi ndakwinginze nsukira urwunge umuntu wagize ibyago rero urwunge rufite ukuntu uramufata mu mugongo mu kazana wanjye nsukira urwunge uzibaho muri make urwunge rumurutira umukazana n'umukecuru uyu nawe si ugusuka urwungeye yiva inyuma ararusuka umukecuru ngaho ufata urwunge umwe umukazana udahanyira buko urwunge nyine ubwo nawe umenye ko bakwirukanye Cheers ku rwunge mukaza tumwemo ku bwa Shani wapfuye iyo umuntu yapfuye banywamo kubwe banywa kandi urwunge suka y'urwunge none abakecuru n'abakobwa b'inkumi
Hey.
Dore n'abagabo nyagasani.
Massey.
Jye banyita Massey.
Massey. Sean's friend from college.
Inshuti ya Sean kuva muri kaminuza.
Archaeologist.
Byakora.
You want a drink? It's a wake after all.
No.
Kangusukira urwunge n'ubundi twaje gushyinguro ya.
I don't drink anymore.
Nabaye magaritse kunywa inzoga. Hari abantu bareka inzoga kuko bakijwe, hari n'abazikurwaho na muganga. Hari n'abazikurwaho n'amakosa zibakoresha. Naho twese shaho wavuga iby'ubuki inzu iby'iki n'iki iby'inzu cy'ubuki bwaribwa. Hano hari sheriff n'ushinzwe umutekano mu gace. Nawe barashe gushingura. Ni sheriff ni cyamamari Tyrese.
Yeah. I'm at a friend's wake. Guardian Island.
Ndi ku kiriyo cy'inshuti yacu cya Guardian Island.
No shit.
FBI, oya. Ku FBI. Barabizi neza kariwe. Uwo ni sheriff n'ushinzwe umutekano. Abamuhamagaye FBI.
Good details.
Munyorereze detaye zose, munyorereze detaye mbereke. Uyu mugabo hari amakuru bamuhaye. Kugira ngo kurikire filime. Umusore yaje kwiryamira. Umuntu we yapfuye. Kumbe dore muganga we, Mel Gibson.
Alderwood.
It's me, D. Ni njyewe D.
D.
You said that reconnecting with my family would be essential to my recovery.
Siwambwiye ngo kongera kwiyunga na famille yanjye biri mu bintu bizatuma noroherwa vuba byihuse.
Oh. And how did that go?
Uye na mama we byagenze ute rero?
She told me that I should leave.
Yambwiye ngo vana utumuka.
I'm so sorry.
Wihangane D.
It's an understandable initial response.
Gusa icyo gisubizo none yagoye kirumvikana.
For a while. It's gonna be
Biraza kugorana amakanya. Nawe bikugore.
exercises we practiced.
Imyitozo twakubwiye se yo guhumeka uri kuyitoza. Guhumeka winjiza umwuka usora.
All the hard work we put in.
Wibuke akazi kose n'imbaraga nagushyizeho.
Do you take those lithium pills too, all right? Don't.
Nibyo binini bya lithium ngwa ujye ubinywera iki. Biraza kugufasha.
You may even start to have feelings or emotions.
Ndetse uraza gutangira nawe ugira ibyiyumviro n'amarangamutima nk'abandi bantu. Menya iki gisore nta marangamutima nta emotion kigira. Kuko umuvandimwe wacu yapfuye ariko kigaramiye hariya.
Is there anything you need to tell me?
Ese hari ikindi waba ukeneye kumbwira?
Anything that may have happened recently?
Nk'ikintu kimaze iminsi kikubayeho?
No.
Oya, yanga kumubwira ko amaze iminsi yishe umuntu. Hari umuntu yakubitiye muri douche.
You're not the same man you used to be, D.
Wibuke ko utari umugabo wahoze uri we na mbere.
All right?
Sibyo?
Okay. I will.
Good. Anything else?
No.
All right. Well, call me anytime. Yeah, bye.
Uyayitazana. Wibuke sheriff ara makuru bamuhaye. Kugira ngo ukurikire filime. Yeah.
You're my Uncle D, aren't you?
Niwe oncle wanjye D, sibyo? Niwe Fred kanuna kana kamukuru munda we.
Grandma says you're insane.
Nyogokuru ko yambwiye ngo uri umusazi. Ntabwo ndi umusazi. Wumve?
Antisocial personality.
Ako sinkunda abantu.
What does that mean?
Bisobanuye iki se?
Means a pervasive pattern of disregard.
Bigaragaza ko ngiye nta kintu mba nitayeho.
What is that?
Ushobora no kubangamira uburenganzira bw'umuntu.
I don't care how people feel.
Bisobanuye ko nita ku kuntu abandi bantu biyumva. Habe na gato.
I also don't have that capacity to feel fear.
Ikindi ntabwo njya niyumva mu bwoba.
Make me insane.
Ese ubwo ibyo nibyo bingira umusazi?
No.
Yeah.
I just see the world a little differently.
Ahubwo njye isi nyibona mu buryo butandukanye nuko abandi bayibona.
What do you have there?
Aho ufitemo iki?
Submarine.
Iyi ni submarine, ni bwa bwato bugendera munsi y'inyanja. Kigabo hano ariko ngo njye nanga abantu sinkunda ahantu hari abantu baramunukira bamuterarije. Ngo kandi akora ibintu atitaye ukuntu abantu bari bubibone cyangwa bari bubifuke. Yitaye kugera hano yahise abona inzandiko zoherejwe na FBI zivuga ko uyu mugabo ari wanted ari guhigwa. Kandi uyamubonye ku kirwa bereye sheriff ahita akura yimbunda. Hey! Uriya musore FBI iri kumuhiga. Yuko ari umuntu yanigiye muri douche kandi yareshize iminsi bamurekuye ari kuri parole. Ikibazo.
Saw something indeed that wasn't there.
Shani buri buri gihe yabonaga ikintu kidasanzwe muri D ariko twese tutabona kidahari.
I knew he got out, that's it.
Yagiye muri gereza asohoka muri gereza nibyo tuzi.
What did he tell you about this submarine?
Ese point iki yakubwiye kuri submarine? Freddy?
Go upstairs.
Jya hejuru.
Now, please.
None hajya hejuru. Uyu mugabo baramutinya. Kano nakana ka murumuna wabereye wonkere ariko baramutinya.
You don't belong here.
We hano ntakari hubarizwa.
I'm Sean's brother.
Tumuvandimwe wa Sean.
It's the category I fit in.
Iyi niyo kategori mbarizwamo mubashe gushyingura.
You gave up the right to call yourself family a long time ago.
We famille yacu wamaze kuyivamo kera cyane. Sherifu yashashe kumufunga. Nyagasani.
I'm the same person that I was back then.
Ntago nyiri umuntu naboze ndiwe maze iminsi mvurwa.
It's got me doing breathing exercises.
Maze iminsi nkora imyitozo yo guhumeka.
I'm on medication.
No kunywa imiti.
That won't change who you are.
Ibyo ntago byahindura uriwe diwe mama we. Kubera iki se?
Because you're insane.
Kubera ko uri umusazi. Mukecuru. Hey! Sheriff. Mugabo ntajya afari ntanyeganyega yaratubwiye ngo ntakiri ubwoba. Tugufungiye kuba wagerageje kwica umuntu.
You know the routine. Hands behind your back.
Amaboko inyuma. Ibintu bikorwa nk'ibisanzwe.
Now.
Ukayashyira inyuma. Rebe.
Spread them.
Tandukanya amaguru se.
Feds are on the way.
FBI iri mu nzira.
Down in the bunker.
Umusore baramutwara mujyanye muri banka. Charles durakana bereye tonto. Shaba tonto baragwira. Ukabona bagenda. Aho. Rebe.
Don't even think about it.
Ntunabitekereze. Cyo kuba yagerageza nko gucika cyangwa kurwanya inzego. Rebe.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Genda wicare. Uyu musherifu afite ikijwi. Sinabwiye ko ari nge sherifu w'uyu mujyi.
How'd you kill?
Oh, you'd have to be
Ese noneho wishe nde?
little more specific.
Ariko warasa kuniga bwo urambaza nde nishe.
You must be pretty happy the sheriff's got the psychopath.
Menya ariko mwese mwishimye kubura musazi warushe kukirwa sherifu amaze kumufunga.
Yeah. Right, Joe?
Buri famille yose igira umusazi. Nkibaza ariko nta famille ibura umusazi nkuko nta famille ibura ikigoryi. Abasazi babaye benshi.
I knew Sean.
Sean nari muzi.
Go way back.
Twari tuziranye mbere.
And not once they ever mentioned having a brother.
Ariko nta rimwe yigeze ambwira ko afite umuvandimwe.
The murderer?
Umwicanyi. Umva sherifu ikibazo abaza ariko. Umwicanyi.
He's just on the phone talking.
Twari turi kuri telefone tuvugana.
He wants me to come here and see him.
Ambwira ngo arashaka kuzazana akamubona.
He said he wanted to talk to me about something.
Murumuna wajya gupfera yambwiye ngo ari ikintu ashaka nazana tukavugana.
Now he's dead.
None yapfuye.
And you're here.
None ni ubwo ugaragaye ni bwuje hano.
Strange, don't you think?
Urumva ibyo bintu bidatangaje. Batangiye no gushaka umushinja amenye ko ari wishe murumuna we.
What is that?
Cyo ni igiki?
I need to take my pills.
Nkeneye gufata ibinini byanjye. Iyi saa isonnye anywa ibinini. Ubuzima niko bumera. Umuntu busanga. Ntago nabigeraho binkuriremo. Aramwegera. Biri mu mufuka w'imbere humura. Ngo baramutinya. Yambaye amapinga ari muri ubugingo wanjye uri kurubona yo kumubwira tukora ikosa ruri mu mbarutso ndakumena hey
Don't budge. Be smart.
ugira ubwenge nubuka nkurasa umugabo bamutinye yatwibwire ngo ngisingira ubwoba hey sinita ku by'abantu bari buvuge cyababona amarangamutima yabo sinyitayeho menyera ibyo bimugira umusazi byo byita ngo ikisi byita depressants
Control my impulses.
bimfasha gukontorora umutwe wanjye n'uburyo kimvuganamo n'abantu uburyo nitwaramo.
They make me more normal.
Ibyo binini iyo mbinyweye nibwo mba normal, nibwo mba umuntu usanzwe nk'abandi. Bize ngiye atarabinywa bari umusazi. Zarasose insinga zo mu mutwe. Yamufatira ikinini n'ibitoki nimba yanakarabye sinzi nyeganyega nkurasa. Rasam. Ashukunye utananda mu rutoki wa kigoryi. Yewe dukona kanina kanyinyira. Umugabo koko zara byarashaguye we. Kigabo byarashaguye. N'uburyo kireba murana ko byashaguye. Ko kireba nka sabe we. Buryo kinywamo ibinini ni busabe. Umuntu ukabona zarasose do. Kigabo byarashaguye. Sabe w'i Bugande arowina hararengana. Umukobwa avayo hano azaniye Sheriff agakawa.
Thank you.
Murakoze. Sheriff afite urushwi.
Would you like some coffee?
Tuguye ku gakawa.
Thank you.
Well, if you change your mind.
Ndendere ibitekerezo tubwire tukaguhe. Kirohora ubwato yumvishije.
I didn't expect the FBI to be here so soon.
Ntabwo nari nzi ko FBI bugire hano byihuse cyane.
This big boy on the table right here.
Ubu ngubu rero wa musore ngiye gusigira bari abantu.
Crazy.
Iyi mbunda muko yigumane naza n'ubugoryi yitumurasa. Acho. FBI ubwo nigiye kumwitwarira. Ikurikirana ibyo bimeze bite.
Evening, fellas. Didn't expect to see y'all out here tonight.
Ntabwo nari nzi ko iri joro bwo muri buze kuzana aba FBI yahamagaye.
What are you doing all the way out here?
Sheriff urakurikirana.
We got the call.
Ariko mwamamagaye?
Came out. We handled it.
Ibibazo nze hano mbe mbyito mu bikemure nyuma.
I will see about that.
Ibyo turaba tubireba.
Why so many of you guys for one dude?
Ese ko muje muri benshi ko hejuru y'umugizi wa nabo?
No.
Niyo uyoboye se dore n'ubu. Uyoboye afayo. Ukuntu bareba Sheriff n'agasuzuguro baje. Bahita bamusigano barigendera.
What field office are you boys with?
Ariko ubundi muri aba ofisiye bakorera mu kiye gisata. Rebe. Abantu na discipline bafite na grama shinzwe umutekano. Ntabwo muri FBI mwebwe.
Not exactly.
Ntabwo turi FBI. Fire! Ntabwo ari FBI. Abantu bahita babyumva.
9mm.
Ibyo ni ibikini 9mm n'ubwoko bwa pistol. Musore yumva n'urusaku rw'imbunda akamenye iyo ariyo. Ibyo byari ibiki. Fire! Hey! Fire! Masasu ku kirwa. Hey!
We should.
Urabizi tugira icyo tubikoraho. Dukoreho ikintu. Rebe. Fire! Chawe! Masasu. Hey! Wait. Dokari kanga. Saniri ya mbundu.
You can trust me.
Wanyizera. Nyizera.
Oh, you can shoot me.
Cyangwa ndase nimbuto nyizera. Uyu mugabo ni umusazi. Hey! Masasu kuri Sheriff. Ibi filime. Do. imikino bano bagabo barashaka iki ku kirwa kuri musore hari n'abandi twigeze kubona bamwinjirana
to the lighthouse.
Sniper ajya kuri lighthouse kira kintu kimeze nk'umunara
Pike recon the island.
turasaka ikirwa cyose dusake mu nzanu hose bano bagabo barashaka iki abagabo barashaka iki katururi urebe yo
Lock it down.
muhafunge bose bahacakaza Hebi
Hey. Who the hell are you people?
muri bande mwabantu
Where's the sheriff?
Sheriff ari hehe bibutsa ko ndi sheriff w'umujyi wose waba yicaye muri kundeba nabo njya mbona bo station bagerageza kwiba insirenge zacu nta n'umufungo baduhaye naje mbabwira ko ndi sheriff w'uyu mujyi mubabona mwiwe nasa
What have we here? Don't move.
iki dufite hano
Does it look like I'm going anywhere?
urabona tse ngo hari aho ngiye se mukobwa nibageze muri brigade mwese mwumvishe boss mwese telefone zanyu muzishyiremo hano bebe bose amatelefone agendanwa ngo bayashyiremo hari abataza no guhamagara inzego z'umutekano kama hariya
And I just told you where he was.
bareba uyu telefone yawe iri wa mukinga we ayinagamo ni P37 yari yanze kuyirekura ya Itel rebe shukunyemo hano
Hey, I got a pretty young thing locked.
Vana aragakobwa keza mabonye
Call me that.
winyita gakobwa ko gafunze umutwe
Eyes until we find out what they know.
nta muntu n'umwe turi bwice mpaka tumaze kumenya ibyo bazi bano bagabo barashaka iki barashaka kubanza kumenya
We're good. Rest of them looks clear.
ibyumba byose mbonye nta wundi muntu urimo amatelefone barayamena shaya Itel sha ukuntu akora neza
Why did that guy ask if we were the feds?
Kuchira mugabo yasaga nimba turaba FBI.
We're here right now.
No kubera ko FBI iri mu nzira isa hano nuna. Mukecho.
Plan stays the same.
Mipango yacu ni yindi.
Why would anybody lock you in a cage?
Muko kuki bagufunze?
Sure, why don't we open the door and find
Wakinguye suka bimbaza neza turebana. Go! Kimwe! Hey! Cyewe! Mugabo ni mubi cyane. Mubi cyane. Hasi. Hey! Fata imfunguzo.
What did you do?
We ukoze biki? Mvuniye mu ivi. Ndamutimbuye. Ndamutimbuye. Hey! Aba bagabo baje kukirwa kiriho umusazi.
You didn't kill him?
Ntago mwishe.
I don't kill people anymore.
Oya ntago nyica abantu. Muri make yahoze mbica ariko ubusinyi bica.
Shouldn't we? He's a bad guy, right?
Nese umuntu twakamwisha buriya si umuntu mubu nyumvira abakobwa b'iyi minsi. Ibyo ni ibikoreba nimbura umwica sigara umwica. Usura ati mwi minsi sinyica abantu. Iyo umuntu akubwiye ati mwi minsi sinyica abantu menya ko abo yishe bahagije. Cyase umubare yari yarihaye yawugejeje. Katurore isadundira mukurikira. Abakobwa buriya nta keza kabo bo muri Amerika, bo mu Rwanda muri abana beza. Uyu muntu tumwica.
Whimper.
Bimeze bite? Wimpa ntago ari kwita.
What's going on with him, go?
Kintu umenye Wimpa yabaye iki wamize ati.
Hey! Upstairs. No surprises.
Wewe jya gucungira hejuru tugira icyo dutungura.
Being a cancer dean. The weather.
Bege yagenze ute kumbe dore wa mugore wa FBI mu nzira zana.
Nothing yet.
No answer at the end.
N'ubu ndacyari guhamagara kuri ka hoteli kari kuri kira kirwa na muri kwitaba.
Friend from the shower.
Yanshuti yose mwabakubitiye muri douche mezitari muri koma.
Dee knew that removing his ankle bracelet would trigger a response.
In all my years of tracking Dee, he never left a body or a witness. So why leave this guy alive in his own apartment?
Ikintu nibaza kucyura mugabo yasize umuntu utapfuye ntana musigari muzima. Yabikoreye iki? Biga yasize umuntu uri muri koma ntaba yapfuye ntaba ari na muzima.
Where is he?
Shani we. Wacishe.
Where you really fucked up, didn't you?
I had to. He was on to me.
Yeah, muri hangana. Shan.
Where is he?
Kiri hehe? Ese uyu wapfuye baramubaza iki? Eh? Niki babuze? Hey!
You really fucked up, didn't you?
Man, wangisha ibintu sibyo?
I had to.
Nagomba kubikora.
He was on to me.
Yari amaze kumenya. Bino turabiganiraho nyuma bisa nkaho yari yoherejwe kuneka Shan. Ese Shan wapfuye baramubaza iki? Baramubwiye ngo kiri hehe? Tujye nukurikira film. Nabagabo ba Shan. Shan ni murumuna wa D. Yapfuye.
What's taking so long?
Felix kuki byatinze? Uri ariruka. Yo arirukanga. Patroli. Hey, barakurikira. Rabe, bano bagabo basha kukirwa barashaka iki? Rabe filime witonze. Uyacisheni. Bimeze bite? Mugabo? Uyarababona ntangagari sara yirukanga ihubagurika. Birabi biterwa n'ubukene. Nubona umuntu wari imbere ya mikoro ari kuvuga ubusa atonga na sara n'ubukene. Ntangagari ivuga amagambo menshi. Turi ngagara ukuntu isi igenda gahora abakene iyoboye bakiruka. Mumurase. Faya! Fisha ukuntu ingagari zikora. Mumurase. Hey! Ako mwebwe abakene nimba ari ubukene. Mungubitira sha mutimburo wa mukaritasi. Oya ingagari avuga ati mumurase.
I'll kill you too.
Nawe barakwica. Mukirasubiramo imbere gahoro. Bano bakaba barashaka iki kukirwa. Barabanza iki Shani wapfuye. Icara hasi. Nta mukirusakuza. Ngwino. Ubukene bubasakurisha no kuba mutarakira Yesu muri mwe na Muhammad icyarimwe. Bicara hano. Bano bakaba barashaka iki.
So now do you understand what happens when you don't help me?
Ikiri bube ni mutamfasha muri kukibona.
That makes things a little bit clearer.
Reka nizere ko ibintu none muri gusobanukirwa ikiri bubabeho ni nko kubabwira ati nimutansobanurira ndabica kandi akabivuga tuje kugera no babona urwana.
Hey buddy boy.
Bite mwana muto. Kan. Kigabo kirakinga. Bagabo bashobona ko bitoje. Buryo bafata mibunda buryo umugabo bafashe mibunda kabibona katari civilian. Whipper.
Oh shit. In the hell are you doing in here by yourself?
Mwana mutoro kuri ki wenyine hano.
We got a situation in the boat.
Dufite ikibazo hano muri banka.
Jesus Christ. Someone fucked up Whipper real bad.
Hari umuntu watimbuye Whipper neza cyane.
Get down here now.
Branch aditumanuka hano nona. Wari umuntu wamukubise. Fayo hano nona. Amafaranga katangiye kumushiramo. Kiratangiye gusakuza. Yako byakomeye.
It looks like they have a lot of guns.
Batatu kandi birasa ngo bafite imbunda nyinshi.
You ever nice?
Kana bakazana kano kana kitwa Fred. Umuntu ukita umwana we Fred ariko akana k'imyaka 3 mu bacunge.
You're gonna come with me.
We ngwino tujyane jonde merutse gusura mu rugo rwa numva bari kujya bamagara. Damascene ariko mwagafashe katagwa. Nsanga nakana k'umwaka kitwa Damascene. Narababaye. Hano n'ubusinda asubirayo. Bakomeza imbere. Kugerano.
What did you do, you idiot?
Kubikora iki wakigora ikiwe baratonganya umurambo. Byande bavuga ngo wishe nari kumbe umusazi. Uyu bamwita umusazi ngo ntabwo bagira. Nta marangamutima agiraga ngo ibinini ngo byatuma nawe yongera kuba umuntu usanzwe akagira ama emotion. Hari ibintu byinshi kuriho ntakunze.
Shut the fuck up.
Funga umunwa wakigoryiwe. Yarababona. Arababona. Hey! Cyabinshiranye. Mukobwa nawe avayo. Uyavuye n'icyuma mushombe. Mukobwa avuze induru nyagasani. Kira kigabo menya ari igisazi we. Wa mwana w'umukobwa cyagatabaye tuzi kigiye kumushomba icyuma. Yitavayo. Fuck! Stay. Hai. Umukobwa nacyabaye. Yo maniga baby.
He's a pretty lady.
Mukobwa mwiza nkawe.
With a shotgun.
Arakora n'ikina shotgun nibira bibune. Baby! Kikiri gutereta ubundi ni kimuzazi.
I needed a scream.
Kucyo nkase nagira ngo uvuze indura ze.
Fuck is wrong with you?
Ufite icyo kibazo kiba gikasa umukobwa kugira ngo avuze indura nkaho kimubwiye ngo vuze indura atayivuze. Ni ikigoryi. Basana. Muri banka. Bari nk'indake kavumu hasaho. Cyo bita banka. Uyu kuri banabona hari uri guhigo yitwa Dylan Forrester. Siche. Bebe. Ariane. Menya bana muzi. Ariane. Ubuke bari ibyo bari guhiga ni ibifitwe. Bapfuye. Abo nohereje ngo bwice menya batarabikoze.
Of course he's here. It's his brother's funeral.
Ya Jean Regaraje gushingura umuvandimwe we.
Guy's a psychopath, man.
Kandi uramugabo ni umusasi.
You remember Lansing and Harvey? Bogota?
Uribika ibyo yakoreye muri Bogota? No, muri Missouri ibyo yakoreye.
He killed everyone while we just watched.
Yishe abantu bose turi kureba.
Here's what I don't get though.
Uriya musore ni mubi cyane baramutinya.
Finish off Wimper when he had the chance.
Kuki satisha Wimper kandi yarafite amahirwe? Menya gereza yatumye acika intege akisigaye yoroshye. Yagasani. Uriya musore bisa nkaho bano bagabo bamuzi. Uribuka ibyo yakoreye Bogota ibyo yakoreye za Missouri. Yagasani ngo yishe abantu fire. Icyari cyakomeje. Bira ni biki?
That felt good.
Numvisha ari byiza.
Let's get to work. Come on.
Tukimukasa.
Go!
Wari wakubiswe yacitse intege babonaga ruri barushye bamurwaza nta mbaraga bafite zo kurwaza no kwikorera umuntu wabavunaguye bakeneye amaraso yo guhiga uno mugabo bamenye ko yahageze bimeze bite.
Whoever kills D gets Wimper's cut. Good? Good.
Uncle D!
Uncle D!
Gutters.
Yashan.
Close this place down.
Ni gute inzu bayifungamo?
The lever behind the lamp.
Yeah. Inzu yose barayifunga bayishyiraho ibyuma barayitanangira bano bari basohotse bose inzu yose ayifunga.
Hey, Blanchard's still in there.
Blanchard yarakirimo indani.
Deep shit.
Bivuze ngo ari mu bibazo.
Blanchard?
Usigaye muri iriya nzu ngo ari mu bibazo. Mugenzi wabo.
Find me a way back in.
Mushake inzira idusubizamo indani. Uri filime.
What happened? Are you okay?
Yeah, he cut me.
Cyageze bitumeze neza. Rebe.
You bring this here now, during Sean's funeral?
Bino byose niba biteye ku kiriyo cya Sean. Ntabwo ari njye bashe guhiga ariko.
Oh, right, this is just a coin.
No, birahuriranye. Umukecuru.
Phones.
Ukeneye telefone.
Can these work?
I'm really struggling here.
Hano mafite ibibazo byinshi. Yamagaye wa muganga wumugira inama.
Back in old habits.
Well, yeah, I know.
Ndabizi.
I know it is, D.
Ndabizi yabigoye.
The only one to have trouble with that, believe me.
I want to do some of those things so bad.
Kumva nshaka gukora ibintu cyane.
D, you're different.
Wibuke gusigaye utandukanye nuko wahoze.
It's an act of will.
Icyo ukora.
Those new pathways of behavior we've created in your brain.
Ugomba kumenya ko ugomba gukora ikintu ushaka ariko wagitekereje kubera inzira nshyashya twashyizeho yawe. Ibyo agomba guhindukamo yose uri umusazi yica abantu.
Protect myself.
Bibaye ngombwa ko nirinda se.
Animal brain kicking in. Flight or fight, you know. But just stop.
Count to 10, count to 100 if you need to, and ask yourself.
Mbere yuko basi wirwana ubantegereza nk'iminota ubare nk'icumi uhumeke.
The things you think you'll be proud of later.
Kandi utekereza ko ikintu uri buze kuba ugiye gukora ari ikintu uzaterwa ishema nacyo nyuma. Bishobora kuba atari ibyo ngiye gukora.
And you probably shouldn't do them.
Rero ubwo ntubikore. Ikintu ujya gukora ukumva utazaterwa ishema nacyo nyuma ntukagikore. Namwe mwumvire muri kureba iyi filime.
These pills, they make my hand shake.
Bino binini bituma intoki zanjye zinyerera. Zikanatitira.
Are you here?
Kubera iki muri hano?
Fuck you.
Kinamutuka sinya nsobanura ibitutsi.
You know how much I'd love to cut your eyes out and feed them to you?
Usko nakwica baranga bakugaburira muri kumwe.
I don't do that kind of thing anymore though, Mike.
Ariko ibyo bintu ntago nkibikora byo kwica abantu no kubakata. Ngo yarahindutse yewe kandi nta bandiri biri sirimu. We. Katururi. Turacyari ku kirwa bakita Guardian. Abinkwakuzi batangiye kunywa urwungi.
What you do to him?
We spoke. It's disappointing.
Oh my God, you killed him?
Yeah, I'm watching the door. I'm watching you too, motherfucker. What are you gonna do, huh? Huh? You gonna go after him?
Ugiye gukora iki kubakurikirana?
No. There's 4 of them out there.
Uyu hanze hari abagera muri 4 bagenzi babari.
Didn't kill any of them.
Kandi nta numwe nigize nice muri bo.
Out of this house and off this island.
Ndagira gusohoke muri inzu no kuri iki kirwa niwe wabaduteje. Ariko yadutabaye. Yitabaye.
The only person he cares about it and always has.
Kuko umuntu yitaho ni ubwe na wundi muntu yitaho ntabwo yadutabaye ahubwo yitabaye.
Isn't that right, D?
Sibyo D? Nyagasani nyina atangiye kumwirukana. Ahari.
Huh? Did you piss someone off? You steal something?
Ese hari ikintu wibyara abantu warakaje bari kukugendaho?
No.
Yeah.
Did you really kill people, Uncle?
Ese uko wica abantu anko? Nakana biri
Really bad people.
Abantu babi narabicaga. Abantu babi narabicaga Nyagasani.
You should call this place Murder Island.
Aho kwita kino kirwa Guardian Island bazakite Murder Island. Kirwa cy'ubwicanyi. Rebe. Wambera vayo. Amatangiye kumubwira byose niyo abiduteje. Yinywera ibinini bye bimuturisha. Ngo nta bwoba agira. Watangiye kumena urugi.
Shoot the bastard!
Rasi kigendaro. Yavuye n'imbunda. Kirarunguruka. Rasariko. Faya! Bakimena itara. Hey!
No! No, what happened?
Itara bararimennye. Bamumennye itara. Ndakeka ndamurashe. Iki kivuye bakimennye ijisho. Cyari.
The shotgun.
Umuntu ufite imbunda umurashe nawe murase. Sniper. Sniper abona inzu yose irafunze.
I can't see into the house.
Buntu ntabwo ndi kwabona.
Pull the fucking.
Rasa mu gikuta wakigwaryiwe. Kubita isasura kubitore gataruka. Isasura kubitore gataruka ni sniper.
The whole thing's armor plated.
Inzu yose iriho ibyuma ntabwo isasura ryakwinjira. Very armor plated. Tururi.
Now we know he's watching.
Ubyibuza tumenye ko bari kutureba.
They're just testing us.
They're looking for you, not us.
Niwe bari guhiga nagaritwe.
To leave.
Dusokere hano bajye kuguhiga wenyine uri kuduteza abantu. Umubyeyi ukona atumwana we.
Go.
Genda soka muri inzu uri kuduteza ibyago. Asohoye umwana wamwohereze mu bicanyi. Sha ababyeyi nabakera koko. Okay. Icyo ntabwo bakigira kukibwira ngo sohoka ngo ujye ahantu hari abantu bafite imbunda n'ubundi. Ntabwo kiba cyumva ko hari ahandi ucyohereje hatandukanye naho cyari kiri.
Racked up some pretty sizable debt for a history professor in recent years.
But not so much debt that he couldn't buy an island.
Tumaze kumenya ko Shani wapfuye professeur yari muri wa D. Wapfuye ari abantu yari afite ideni ryinshi ariko nanone umuntu nkawe wari professeur bidasobanutse ko yari afite ideni ringana gutyo cyari cyinshi cyane. Yari no kubasha ritari gutuma gura kirakirwa.
Seems like being insane runs in that family.
Bisa nkaho hari ikintu cy'ubusazi kiri muri iriya famille turashobora kumenya kirakirwa n'iki kiriyo. Abantu bari kwicana.
This is your best bet.
How did Sean die? Exactly.
Ubundi Shani yapfuye ate muri wanjye.
Was restoring the lighthouse.
Yari ari kubaka ari ku lighthouse.
Done it every day until dark. That's when he
buri munsi yari akora guhera mu gitondo kugeza nijoro.
That's when he died.
Yapfuye yari ari gukora.
Someone was.
Cyane uraga mubwira ngashaka undi muntu umukorera ku kazi kanga.
Q went out to take him dinner. That's when he found him.
Yo yagiye amushyira ibyo kurya asanga yaguye yapfuye. Yamanutse ngo kuri scaffold.
Just over a month.
Ni igikwa.
Just curious.
Tuzabaza sinzo.
Follow the trail behind the inn. It sweeps around the trees and leads about a half a mile.
Uca inzira inyura iruhande rw'ihoteli yacu hari inzira imanuka ikagera ku mazi.
I think you're doing the best that you can.
Kandi ngenda babona kuri gukora uko ushoboye penga b'umuntu muzima. Bamufataga nk'igicibwa. Uramaze tuwisha banatanisha abantu babi narabamaze ahubwo. Usore nyine yazinze utwe yigendere. None se ko nyina mwirukanye akamubwira ati mvira hano. Ubundi ngo mvira mu rugo si mvira mu Rwanda. None iyo bakwirukanye no mu Rwanda ujya kubirwamagana.
He's gone.
Yagiye. Arigendeye. Baramusohoye mu Rwanda rwa mwijuru ryabo sha.
Yeah. Seriously, how are they going to know he's gone?
We'll have to tell him.
Ati sasa igisigaye nukubwira barabarashi barabicanye ko D yasohotse kugira batamuhigira muri iyi nzu. Barababwira bati
Back inside that building.
Dufite gusubira muri iriya nzu. Musore inza kizuka amabicanye bari gushaka gusubira muri iriya nzu. Dore ya lighthouse. Bambwiye ko muri umuna we ariho yapfuye ari murumuna we yari profeseri cyo ni icyicanyi katururi musore gake gake yo hey rebe abagabo baracyari hano ku mazi mu mazi po rebe mazi bana babani sniper kuri kukabona sniper kureba hakurikiriya
It says D is gone.
abari mu nzu baravuze ngo D yagiye
Boat.
Hey rebe ibi film kumbe turi umusore sniper hano mu gipimo sasu sore itsimba rebe hey yeah hey kasan yeah hey masasu ku bwato abagabo barashaka iki kuri iki kirwa na n'ubu ntiturakimenya abagabo yinjira mu bwato sore yatsa ubwato ayita cisheni yeah nubundi bamwirukanye arabibasigiye n'ibibazo byabo uyu muntu kwirukanye nawe uramubwira ati nubundi nawe wimenye
Still got the other boat. Try not to lose that one, you fucking moron.
dusigaranye ubwato bumwe mwabajinga mwe nabwo nitububuri
Sniper my ass.
sniper wa gatafari we sniper kisi
I got nothing, just rocks.
Hello?
Dr. Underwood? Hey, it's me, D.
Dr. Du, duranyumva yamagaye wa muganga umve
Yeah, I'm okay.
Mese neza
You still with your family?
cyari kumwe na famille yawe
Yeah, I'm still here.
yego ndacyari hano
I was gonna leave and then, well, they needed my help and...
nari ngiye kugenda ariko ndatekereza ntibakeneye ubufasha bwanjye sinabatererana
Good for you, D.
ibyo ni byiza D, ibyo ni byiza asoma ku rwunge
Trying to do my best here and I...
ndikugereza gukora uko nshoboye hano
Don't be too hard on yourself. Nobody's perfect.
ukajya wigora nta ntungane ibaho rega ndabizi
Just I'm a little afraid it could get...
gusa mfite ubwoba ko hari ibintu bishobora kuza kuba bibi cyane mbega bagomba kubanza akagisha inama muganga arumva yarasabana akabamara ariko abimva kongera kwicabana ari ikibazo
One at a time instead of all of them at the same time, and you know, like we talked about.
ati mbere yo kugira ikintu ukora ikintu cyose gikore mu mwanya wacyo kirangira ujye mu bindi yego
Yeah, I could do that.
ibyo nabikora
Usually easier that way.
nibwo buryo ibintu byoroha mu bundi kubikora
You're the D we need you to be.
kandi uri D dukeneye kuba we
Keep at it, son.
komereza usha ibintu by'ibikorwa ibintu bikoresha akoze kongera inama nyine iki mbere yo gukora iki kusarabanza akamagana therapist we kugira ngo yumve uko bimeze umugabo ari ku rwunge sniper kumbe hejuru ye hey! inyuma ye umugabo yamugezeho yigize nk'agiye bagira ngo aragiye kumbe ntabwo yasiga abantu kandi asiko bari bukenera ubufasha bwe n'abasivili famiye ye abagabo hari icyo bafite kireba mu butaka bya bimashini biri munsi y'ubutaka bakamenya ngo hano iki niki hey
Oh my god. The guy with the big teeth is just standing out there.
cya kigabo cy'ibyinyo birebire gihagaze hano imbere y'inzu
You guys hear me in there?
basore muri kunyumva
Yeah, we can hear you.
turakumva
Sooner or later, that door is gonna open. When
basa cyangwa bitinze uwo muryango uraza gufunguka
the door does open,
uwo muryango nufunguka
I want you to remember one thing.
ndagira ngo mwibuke ikintu kimwe
I don't need any of you alive.
nta n'umwe nkeneye muri mwe ari muzima Gasani
If any one of you happens to be able to help me find what I came here for,
ariko muri mwagize umfasha kubona icyo cyanzanye hano gushaka,
maybe we'll be able to work something out.
ari njye nawe dushobora kugira ibyo tuganiraho umuntu akaba yamugumisha ari muzima. Uyu mugabo yaje gushaka iki hano ku kirwa, arashaka ikintu n'ubu ntabwo tukizi.
What do these guys want?
We bano bagabo barashaka iki nabo ntacyo bazi. Dina nuri hano ngabe yabidufashamo. Nyamara yavuze ukuri ntabwo ari bashaka.
But if they don't want D,
nimba atari D bashakaga,
we need to find out what they do want.
Dutangire dushaka icyo bari gushaka cya nyacyo. Bari bazi ko ari D bashaka.
It's closed till tomorrow.
But here's something, might be nothing, but a 36-foot luxury yacht was reported stolen.
Hari ubwato ngo babonye bwibwe
Down the coast yesterday.
ngo ku munsi w'ejo.
No. A local boat captain from that same marina
Says he dropped off a guy to the island today who matches D's description.
Yavuze neza ko umugenzi yatwaye kuri kiriya kirwa neza neza ngasa nka D. Yavuze ukuntu nyine bimuranga twese tubona ari D. N'aba FBI n'umugore wa FBI barifuza kugera kuri kiriya kirwa. Abagabo hano bafite amashini ari kureba munsi y'ubutaka. Iki bari guhigira munsi y'ubutaka. Ibi filime.
Where you going?
Ki?
The only way we're gonna find it is by getting one of them to tell us.
Uburyo bwo kubona bino bintu nuko umwe muri batubwira aho biri.
Another way inside that place.
Kandi ushobora gusanga ari indi nzira nanone irimo hariya muri iriya nzu. Abagabo hari ikintu bari gushaka. Ntabwo turamenye ni igiki. Katurure.
Seismic test.
Bazanye seismic test.
What the fuck is going on here?
Kira ni ibiki bijya mbere hano. Seismic test ni biriya bisuzuma munsi y'ubutaka bakamenya ngo mu butaka harimo ibiki. Katurure. Mugabo hano abona indi nzira ku gapiki kabo. Abagabo bahatanye nk'uyu bamumennye ijisho ariko aracyari mu kazi. Ahita acana garutse mu rugo urebe filime. Bebe zamuka hano abagabo bari gushaka inzira zamuka hejuru. Abicanyi bari kwinjira mu nzu. Musore cyakoze nta kindi yazamutse hejuru y'inzu, yabonye atabatererana. Ikintu cya mbere banje kwitaho no gukura mu nzira sniper. Yagwa kuri Blachard. Byagenze gute? Kinga yanyubikiriye sha. Kombe bamutimbuye. Ize neza. Bize. Fite bunda. Na n'ubu ntago tuzi barashaka iki. Bagabo bari kwicana. Yaca hejuru y'inzu. Kibakirasiye. Kiniki. Umugabo ari hejuru y'inzu. We ni umusazi. Hano hari akapa kamuraburizaga ko bamukuye muri iyi nzu. Ugiye? Uretse man. Kari kakandi bari baziritse. Ebe. Nyana yimbwa. Aragenda tukana. Nimba ari ikintu nanga no gutukana. Mbega ibintu byose bitarimo discipline. Mugabo yinjira mitani. Ariko nta kintu numvisha. Nta kintu numvisha. Kuveza runguruka ariko nta kintu numvisha. Niko. Kana karakirasa ikigoryi. Kana ho kana n'umusazi. Bwa bubunda bw'abana kayirwanyeho. Ni abana babarimo. Want me shoot you through the door? Wacyaro shakunda sasi nyuma y'umuryango. Rebe. Kimena umuryango. Makana.
Don't move.
Ntuva aho uri.
Freddy. Go downstairs.
Freddy manuka hasi gato nkubwire. Manutse hasi uyu mugabo tugane icyo kivugira gahoro.
You know,
I
embarrassed myself in front of you down in that cellar.
Kare wangubise numva ndasebye.
I'm gonna have to make it.
Niyo mpamvu nshaka ko twongera tugasubukura umurwano wacu kuko hariya wanyubikiriye cyawe kitarakora ku mbunda. We ndapfuye. Hey.
Freddy, what's the matter? Oh, what?
Bimeze bite?
Okay.
Hey, back the fuck up! Hey, back the fuck up! Everyone hands up! Now!
You know what? It's just as well that the boy left. My friend Ethel here is going to join us.
Nubwo umwana muretse ngagenda nuko nzi ko inshuti yanjye Ethel agiye kwinjirana akakumfasha. To baratagira gusa n'abasore.
Put it down, I'll blow it right down. I'll do it. Just don't hurt her.
Yeah. Hey. Baby. Yeah, mugabo cira iryinyo. Gusa n'abasore n'abasirikari.
Round 2.
Round 2. Round ya kabiri. Round ya kabiri. Yeah, hey.
No, D. I feel that you will cry right now. What do you think, huh? Need to beg for your life a little, huh? Get the fuck up, you son of a bitch.
Hey! Yeah!
You gotta give me something.
Ufite kugira icyo umbwira mwana.
Not much point. And what's that, huh? Oh, okay.
Mugabo arabanza hano yubikira akantu kameze nk'akuma.
Going to try.
Ashaka kuncumbikiraho rese.
One of these here broken mirror pieces, huh?
Ni ikihe kimene cy'ikirahure cyera ushaka gukoresha se? Ahita mushomba ikindi yatoye kare. Urabe? Mukaguru.
Submarine. Japanese.
Submarine. Japanese. Magambo yamubwiye.
Femoral artery. You're gonna want to put some pressure on that.
Uwo mutsi ncombye yaza kugusaba kuwushyira kuwufata amaraso adasohoka ari menshi mu kanya gatora upfuye.
I really enjoyed that.
Shanda bikunze ukuntu nkwishe. Kagabahana kajombye ngo ni umutsi mubi cyane. Amaraso ari yava byihuse ukahita ucisheni. Bano barabatoshe n'umutsi ukubitaho urayimbunda. Umukobwa ndamurasa bikamukurasira ahubwo. Fire! Cyo ntabwo bakigira kukibwira ngo ufite umukobwa ukikubabarire. Uze neza umukecuru arikanga.
You almost fucking killed.
Uze gato ngo nyice.
Good thing you moved.
Cyiza nuko yisuva mu nzira nyine. Gasani n'urusazi koko. Yishe Brachad. Andasa akaboko.
You came back.
Wagarutse.
What did you do, huh?
Wakoze ibiki?
What did you do upstairs?
Hejuru wakoze ibiki?
Did you kill him or what?
Wishe umuntu cyangwa?
I've been giving this a lot of thought.
Mama bino nabitekerejeho.
And I think that I deserve a second chance.
Ubwo nabonye ko nkuye amahirwe ya kabiri.
What?
Yesu Kristo. Ukoze ibiki umva cya kigoryi? Yewe! Rebe.
Mom.
Mama. Ukoze ibiki kishe umuntu? Bira nabisobanura. Ibyo kuba yishe umuntu ngo yabisobanura. Je, mbega umwishe.
Come on, I want to talk to you.
Tisoka ndashaka kuvugisha.
Just stay away.
Jya kure yanjye wakicanyiwe. Kakagorikira, Kari Juni. Kakanyabwoba ni Juni ava.
That was the worst thing.
Kira nicyo kintu kibi kibaye nigeze mbona. Ndabwoba. Uyafayo. Do.
Well, D.
Bite D.
It's been a long time.
Harashize ikibarasiranye.
Feel like you've been avoiding.
Mbese nk'umuntu uri kunyihisha.
I have.
Cyane nyine.
What happened to you, man?
Cyakugendekiye gute mwana?
You used to be the best at what we do.
Wahoze uri uwa mbere mu byo twakoraga.
The best.
Wari uyoboye pe.
Now you're in the system and all drugged out.
None system wayivuyemo.
3 times a week to get in touch with your soft side.
Kujya muri therapy bakakuvura niyo mpamvu maze kuba imbeba ntukiri umuntu wa danger.
Sociopathic disorder.
Harya ngo indwara urwaye bayita sociopathic disorder.
Behavior.
Uri umusazi niko bakwita.
Moral development. Come on, D.
D.
These are just fancy ways for these people to call you insane.
Kuno buryo bano bantu bo kwisi basanzwe bakoresha kugira ngo bakwite umusazi.
D. Personally, I don't believe in saying different points of view.
Point to this shit?
Yeah, I got a point. Are you just gonna keep pretending for these fucking people? What you really are. Because what you are is awesome. That's why you're here.
Yeah.
Must have told you what's here on the island. He's fucking dead, D. Oh.
You don't know. ikintu kiri kuri iki kirwa icyo bari guhiga bose. Hey, kumbe we nta n'ibyo uzi. Mumwice. Mumwice arabwira sniper. Sniper mwice. Sniper kumbe bamumanitse. Hey! Cyagiye kurasa umusore yagiye kare. Sniper yamurashe. Kuri iki kirwa hari iki? Umusore abyumvishe ko ari ikintu ari gushaka.
You didn't kill him either?
Kuki utamwishe?
What you did to that guy upstairs?
Ko n'ubundi abari hejuru wabishira kuki utamwishe umva ni John.
What did he say?
He said there's something on this island.
Aravuze ngo hari ikintu kiri kuri iki kirwa ndakure icupa ry'urwungi.
A couple $100 for groceries, some antiques.
Nibikisi bihari nyine ni ibintu bya kera.
Thing here.
Hano kuri iki kirwa hari ikindi kintu gihari.
Sean was trying to tell me.
Kandi murumuna wanjye yagezaga kubimbwira.
He's trying to tell me something before he died.
Hari ikintu yasaga nkashaka kumbwira mu nyandiko mbere yuko apfa.
You know Sean, he couldn't have been involved with any.
Mwese muzibe ntabwo muri kunyumva. Hey.
They were in business with Sean, and they are here to find.
Bano bagabo hari ibyo bakonaga na murumuna wanjye wapfuye none basha kubishaka. Ni ibiki?
What aren't you telling?
Ibiki mutari kumbwira biri hano.
You said that Sean died while he was working on the.
Warambwiye ngo Sean yapfuye ari gukora kuri la lighthouse yari sniper ari kuri kiriya kizu kimeze nk'umunara. Ntabwo nkeka ko yapfuye aguye.
No. You said Hugh found him, right?
Yavuze ko Hugh ari we muntu wamugezeho bwa mbere akimanuka kugwa.
Son of a bitch, he was talking to him too. He was saying.
Kandi nabonye yuko kavugana na bano bagabo.
Okay, shut up.
Ziba rero ari John. Hugh nimwe barashe ari gusohoka yambaye umupira w'umweru.
Those men planted here to keep an eye on.
Uze ngo Hugh nuwo bari bohereje ngacunge Shani akorera bano bagabo. Uze ngo ari ikintu bari gukoraho.
There was engine grease underneath his nails.
Hari amavuta ameze nk'ayamoteri nabonye mu nzara za Shani ubwo yapfaga.
He's been but stupid was never one of them.
Umwana wanjye ati nubwo ari ibintu byinshi ariko ntago ari ikigoryi. Benga n'umusazi ariko si ikigoryi. N'uyu bari kuvuga.
Good. Let me try over there.
Mugerageze mushakire ntari abantu bari guhiga ibiri munsi y'ubutaka. Ni ibimashini bazanye. Ntago rimwe bya kera usanga umuntu acukura ari hose ngo turaza ko bigwaho oya. Injira hano.
Come on.
Murumuna we yakoraga murumuna we yari profeseri.
Come on. What were you working on?
There's that sound again.
Hey, no, I want to.
Nongeye kumva ryajwe hanze nanone.
Go after him. That freak tried to kill me.
If Dave wanted you dead, you'd be dead.
I can sneak.
Ndi yashatse kunyica, ndi yashatse kupfa akabaye wapfuye. Baramutinya.
Send your bullet.
Ndi ari hano.
Where's that door go?
That's the wine cellar. He spent too much.
Aho harimo wine cellar yihabwa ubiko bwa za wine.
Yeah, I know where the keys are.
Imfunguzo zawo nzo ziri. Nano yabikaga inzoga se. Abandi bana baba bafite ahantu nyine babika za wine zabo kugira bazazinywe zimeze neza. Karahiye. Kure bana bona inkweto ziri hano zirimo ibintu bise nk'ibigodoro.
No way.
Bishoboka. Maybe.
A hidden door? Really?
Uryango wibanga kwera rero. Natwe ntago twari tuzi.
Flashlight.
Yeah.
Cool.
Freddie, come here.
Fred ngwino hano. Iminti nzira y'ibanga. Bano bagabo barashaka iki kuri iki kirwa. Kiri gutuma bica n'abantu. Yeah. Shani. Uje kwibaza kuri kiri umunaki. Umuryango afumbuye. Yeah. Rebe. Iki kiri yaho hasi.
Coming down.
Daje.
You down there?
Uriyora. Rebe. To. Kanako karakurikira.
Jesus.
What do you see?
The video's pretty bad.
Video imeze nabi.
From one of the odd thieves.
I just sent it to you.
Ariko video ibyo yafashe amashusho yafashe rekanya koherereza. Muriza amashusho yafashwe.
It's Cole.
Uyu ni Cole.
100%.
Ijana ku ijana.
Dee's former employer.
Uyahoze akoresha D.
For the criminally rich and infamous.
Uyu mugabo yari umwicanyi werezwa n'abakire n'ibindi byamamare kurangiza akazi.
Deals for almost killing his commanding officer.
Uyu mugabo yavuye mu basirikare ba leta ba Sirizi, Navy Sirizi, amaze kwica fande we.
Now here they are.
None turi bari hano we na D.
Being called together again.
Singo D na Kora bari gukorana.
God damn it.
Sikumbe nago bari gukorana barahanganye.
Look, I'm sorry. I've tried everywhere. No one is willing to sail tonight. I'll call you if I come up with anything.
Reka tugere ku kirwa. Ati nta muntu wajya kuri iki kirwa muri iri joro. Abantu bose batwara amato ntago bari kujya ku kirwa, umugore ari ku ruhande ruri hakuri no ntago bemerewe kujya ku kirwa iri joro.
As a matter of fact, yeah.
Sure you know what you're doing? Oh, me? Nah, I'm just fucking around. I mean, I'd let you try, but especially if you have both eyes. That's all.
D!
Down here.
Akunino. D. Urebe.
What is this place?
Hano hantu ni hehe? Hano hantu haba chance. Mugabo yari yaraguze ngakarwa. Ndashaka ukavaho.
D, don't leave me.
D could have been halfway to Hawaii by now. Maybe he really has changed.
D hari imenye yarahindutse. Urebe. Komeza hasi.
We're gonna get lost in here. How far does this go?
Isinzira ikira kuri bingana iki? Bakomezamo hasi. Urebe.
This is insane. Oh, fuck.
Komeza imbere. Mu gicuku. Hano ikintu cyari kiri gutuma abantu bicara ubu nicyo nshaka kumenye. Gabo ntukabone baragafashe barabonye amafaranga mu nshe baba barahigiye ahantu hose.
Lights.
Katwatse. Kwatsa gutya hano. Yagasani. Yitkanzemo. Yikanzemo. He.
Submarine.
Hari submarine ni bwa bwato bugendera munsi y'inyanja.
Japanese.
Bw'Abayapani.
World War II.
Yo mu ntambara ya kabiri y'isi. He?
Oh my god.
None yanjye.
Sean. What the fuck is this?
Sean ibintu ni ibiki?
Hold on.
We. Uyari hano?
I think I found something.
Ndakeka aricyo mbonye. Munsi y'ubutaka.
It's like a tunnel.
Isa nk'aho ari tano iri munsi y'ubutaka. Za nzira zica munsi. Ituruka hariya muri iriya hoteli cyangwa se kariya kabari.
Holy shit, to the lighthouse.
Ica munsi hariya kuri hoteli ikagera kuri lighthouse. Sike ni hariya. Sawa. Ubwo baraca hehe?
Let's find the entrance.
Ushaka hano twinjirira.
She down there.
Tuze gurira hasi. Bashaka ko binjirira.
He never told me about any of this.
bose nta kintu yarera babwiye na Shani.
Fuck me. That's why I never heard about this.
Niyo mpamvu ibintu ntigeze mbyumva. Debera hariya nawe. Kurubano hari za mama we Yamashita Gold. Yamashita Gold. Sabuza Yamashita. Ibintu byo horaga yandika mu gitabo cye. Sike. Bagwe kuri Sabuza Yamashita. Saba Japan. Bagabo bari gupfa zahabu burya. Buriya ibuye nibuye mu nceri. Ibi by'amafaranga ngo mupfa amafaranga. Hasi. Kikuruhandi.
Mom.
No. Kigaba inzira kirayibonye.
It's right here. It's fucking real.
Mani sabuni izanyazo.
Show was full of shit back in school. This is correct.
Ntago nzi ko Shani yari umusazi bigeze atukigana.
Trying to tell me about in his letters.
Ibi nibyo buri gihe horaga ashaka kumbwira mu nyandiko ye.
I think I found what I've been looking for.
Kuko yaranyandikiye ngo ndakeka icyo nahoze nshaka nakibonye. Sarisa. Fire. Cyawe. Hey. Sasu. Hey. Ibuye nibuye. Ibuye. Ibuye riri munsi y'ubutaka sha. Ibuye. Kubita icupa ryo rwongeye ku mutwe. Mwirukanka. Umukecuru. Kagakecuru. Wakarasa. Masasu. Yafunitse. Yewe. Kagabo kavunitse. Hey. Masasa abagabo burya bapfaga buye we. Noneho ndabashyigikiye ni barasana. Uya riba hanabona hari ikintu kimeze nk'amagazini y'uruziga. Urabizi?
Hey.
We.
Keep up, follow me.
Kira tugire nkurikira. Urikira umusore avayo. Hey. Masasu umusore. Batubwiye ko ntabwo bagira aricyo kintu cya mbere tagira. Hey. Rebe filime. Cyawe. Hey. Masasa tuma n'ibimuga byirukanka. Ngabo yavutse ariko kwiruka nk'ari buzima kubera amasasu. Yeah. Telefone. Shut up. Kikikari. Bari kuturasa ziba. Bari kwihamagarira bari kubarasa. Ngabo baratuje nta kibazo afite. Umedoro ari guhamagara ni muganga waba yasinze akaryama mu ntebe n'ubundi hose ni inzu ye. Aho yarara hose ntareba apfa kuba yisindiye. Yewe. Nico.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Ninja.
D. What time is it?
Sangai.
3-ish? Sorry, it's late, I know.
Bare burisha ariko.
I just have one question.
Ufite ikibazo cyako kubaza.
Shoot.
Gambwira.
I have to save myself. Could I go back to my old ways then?
Ese be ngombwa ko nitabara byaba ngombwa ko nsubira mu nzira nahozemo.
I'd have to say that, well, you really wouldn't be saving yourself.
We nagere ngombwa ko itabara riga.
Give up on all that great work that you've done.
We bireka ibintu bisikemura. Amasasu. Kiwe?
What the hell was that?
Cyo nibiki?
5.56 semi-automatic machine gun.
Ni 5.56.
Oh yeah.
Bari kundashisha n'imbunda n'ubwoko bw'imbunda.
D, listen.
D unyumva ngubwire rero.
Do whatever it takes to save your ass.
Icyo ari cyo cyose witabare utabara amagara yawe. Icyo ari cyo cyose. Kumbwira ati barasa. Aha.
I'll lose my fucking license.
Baranyambura lisansi. Abwiye umusazi yararwaje ngo narasa abantu. Minisanti bimenye yamwambura lisansi yo kuvura abantu. Bamenye kare washusha abwiye umusazi ngo narase. Avayo bamuhaye uruhushya akeneye rw'umuganga. Ni urw'umuganga. Tereka magazine hano. Ku kibunda kiri kuri submarine. Hey! Terekamo yitonze nanda y'umujinya nanda ukunda nanda kibirukansa budara yambara mama we raba film fire cyawe dore mbu dupana uburyo yambayemo hey dore ikibondo bwa n'uburyo cyambayemo ku bitugu fasau fishwi iki kibondo kiri hano hey tu kibondo gakiriya gisaba kuba wariye tu mama we wakiracisha gushwanyagurika rabe dore kibunda bice akagoryi kari inyuma yafayo dore kibunda gasani gasani Hey! Yarahatwitse harashya. Nawe afite agatwiko katinjiza. Kiratwitse kumba agatwiko kacu narubwo kinjiza ariko kiratwitse. Gatwiko katinjiza. Hey!
Stop! Stop right there.
Agarara huri.
Oh, fuck. So you found it, huh? I knew I could count on you.
Sabo asibonye, huh?
Wow. So your brother kind of undersold it, didn't he? It's too bad that he's not gonna get that.
Ikintu cyabashe nuko umuvandimwe wawe yapfuye atari buze kwishimira muri izi zahabu yatomboye. Izo yifumburiye.
Need you alive.
Ndacyagukeneye uri muzima. Kano kajya ku kibunda. Cyawe! Kararasa! Nibyo katazi ndapfuye.
Oh shit.
Fire! Baraga.
No.
Wenda arasa nyoko. D.
Listen to me.
Ndakira ngo nyumve.
This is so stupid.
Ibi ni ubugoryi waba ukoze.
Let's just grab as much of this gold as we can.
Kaduterure zahabu dukeneye.
Because when the feds show
soke hano tugende.
Your ass up forever.
Mbere yuko FBI hagera njye nawe tuzigabane.
The gold.
Njye ntabwo naje hano kwiba zahabu.
I just want my family back.
Njye naje gusubirana na famiye yanjye.
Well, then you got a deal.
Wa muhungu koko ni umusazi. Umuntu uvuga ngo ntago akeneye zahabu none ndakonfirimye ni igisazi.
Your mommy back.
None rero ugiye kuntwaza zahabu nawe ngo twaze nyoko.
Take this out of here.
Izi zahabu kuzikurana byatwara iminsi. Zahabu nyinshi kandi ziba ziremereye zimeze nk'amabuye.
Strong, strapping lad.
Umusore ukomeye wije yantwaza aho duke.
Give me 2 ingots.
Uramo ingots nk'ebyiri.
Brother owes me.
Bura boro bumeze nk'ubutafari bwa zahabu zikozemo. Sindabibabwira mwe murabizi.
That's it.
Nanjye mujye mumbara muzi amasarabwayi muzi intosho. Iki ni ikibinonko. Mujye mwihangana mu gihe tugeze mu mabuye nakuriyemo. Ariya mabuye muri kubona bayita zahabu ariya nyine bayenda gusa nk'umuhondo. Urabizi?
Just give me 2 on top of that. Just
nyongezaho n'utundi tubirisha. Aragipakira kimushyiraho n'umunwa. Aragipakira biba biremereye du. Ka ingots kamwe n'ugaterura umugabo wagira ngo ateruye isarabwayi. Biba biremereye. Njya mbona udukobwa ngo uzi ko ngo nambaye amagarama nimba ari rimwe. Uzi ko ari amagarama 5. Abagabo bari guterura mu matoni tugarama.
That's it, strong guy.
Barabahungu naje kuvumbura ko banabagurira pirate bakabashuka bwombo bwo. Ariko rubanda baranatinyuka koko. Bazubwira abantu ngo sheri yakuguriye ngo ni oro original. Impamvu mbisi neza ngo sheri wanje ni umusirimu ntago yagura ikintu kiri pirate. Mbe sheri wawe ni imbobo. Bwombo yatumye agura pirate. Bari ubupirate bwinshi muzajye gupimisha. Ni umusirimu ntiyagura pirate. Abahungu urabazi. Umuhungu aba ari umwana wundi. Baze ko ntabizera. Kuri ka gatwiko kabo katinjiza. Urebe. Samukana. Hasi. Kuri zahabu ni nkeya n'udutafari duce ariko turaremereye. Kandi umugabo ni umusore.
Get up. Pick it up or else your mom goes flying.
Kumba umugore wa FBI yamaze kuhagera kare.
You're making a fatal mistake. Agent Sean the scene.
Where's Cole?
Ko ari he?
Here.
Sasu. Hey. Fata mama we.
Pick up the gold.
Pick up the fucking gold!
That's it. Good boy. Hey, dude, what are the odds?
Gabase gupakira zahabu n'ubundi.
Your straight as an arrow brother decides to borrow money from the wrong people.
Muvandimwe wawe utaha ujye umubwira nicyo bigenda iyo ugujije amafaranga abantu batari bo.
You know how it is. And now here you are. Oh, D. I gotta tell you, thought I'd be happier to see you, but so goddamn sad to me now, huh?
Yongeye kubabara kubera wongeye kumbona hano, sibyo?
Powerless.
Ambaraga ugifite.
You used to run this shit.
Kera wari uyoboye bino bintu mani, wari utuyoboye.
You know why he's doing all this, huh?
Uzi impamvu Mungu ari gukora bino byose? Niwe hari kubikorera, niyo mpamvu yabaye imbwa. Tina ntabwo ari ngombwa bino bikore. N'ubundi aratwica. Ni mama we.
You're right. I don't.
Yeah.
You're fucking insane!
Umusazi. Zaba zitaye hakurya.
Fucking insane!
Umusazi. Kiraseka.
Energy trying to hide who you are.
Imbaraga nyinshi uri kuzangiza mu kugerageza kwigira utari we.
I'll constantly be that voice in your head, reminding you that you're never gonna fucking change!
Go! Nagamama! Musore! Rebe! Cyo! Cyowe! Hey! Ubu ni abasazi hano babuye yabasajije. Hey! Bose! Cyowe! Uramenyo! Cyecuru! Fashe habi. Cyecuru afashe habi. Tururi. Yeah! Kikabo. Bose cyowe gahanga! Gahanga kirakameri. Bebe! Kunira mwifi! Ibira wabafuka. Bebe! Tera! Tomanyira gwe! Cyowe! Kikabara kizinga. Kibagiramo. Tomanyira. Bebe. Kereke icyuma. Cyowe!
Not insane.
Ntabwo ndi umusazi. Naje gukira. Harambiwe abantu bamwita umusazi. Kandi abona aribo basazi. Abantu benshi barasaze ariko mu ibanga rikomeye ku buryo batabizi. Yeah. Yeah. Sano. Imbere y'uwa FBI kigiye kumwica nawe. Igisazi.
You're not gonna die here.
Ntabwo uri buze gupfira hano. Ko kivugira kandi gahoro. Kiri kugerageza guhinduka. Cyaraganga ntabwo uri buze gupfira hano. Kigabo nta santima nta mutima wa FPR amaze kuvuga ati umusaza aranyishe. Mama.
I'm sorry.
Mutubabarire.
Saying you're sorry.
Kiro kuvuga ngo nkubabarire ariko.
Sorry for your loss.
Wihangane ku gihombo wagize.
For Sean.
Cyo kubura umwana wawe Shani. Ngo kiri kumuhumuriza ariko mukecuru. Mwihangane ko mwagize ibyago condoleance. Mbega ni ibintu biba bitakivuye ku mutima. Kuko nta santima kigira ngo kiri kugerageza kongera kugaruka muri societe. Abantu biboka ibibazo umuntu baranyuzimo batakigira ubwoba batakigira na santima nta mutima nta mama umuntu yarahumuye yarariwe. Kiri kugerageza kunywa ibinini cyongera ikimere nk'abantu basanzwe. Aya mumbonye mubona ngira santima nge.
Think back to all Sean's letters.
Iyo nekereje ku nzandiko Shani yanyetiye.
But he was dying to tell someone.
Yari ameze nk'ushaka kubwira umuntu ko ari cyo yafumbuye.
Safe. He knew he never could.
Wenda gishobora kurinda famiye ye kurusha yari kuyirinda.
Abandoned naval base called Guardian Island.
Nibwo yaje kugurikirwa cyari cyaratawe cyari ikibirindiro cya Navy b'abasirikare barwanira mu mazi. Cyitwa Guardian Island.
Yamashita Gold.
Icyari kiri kuri icyo kirwa nta kindi ni zahabu zabitwa ba Yamashita.
During World War II. And smuggled out.
Zahabu zari zaraburiwe irengero mu ntambara y'isi ya kabiri.
Sean put together the clues.
Sean yakomeje kugenda aterateranya ibimenyetso. Aza kumenya ko agomba kugura icyo kirwa. Arangisha gusa amafaranga bakonga gore kino kirwa. Atarabishyura abagabo nibwo bamugezeho.
Looks like Sean wasn't so perfect after all.
Uvuze ngo Shani nawe ntabwo yari intungane.
Perfect. But he didn't deserve it.
Murumuna wanjye ntabwo yari intungane ariko ntabwo yari akwiye gupfa.
They're gonna come after you, you know.
Bazakuzire kurabizi.
I can handle it.
Je nagiye migwa kenshi nakwiyitaho.
Your mother.
Nawe se famille yawe mama wawe. Barasakomera sawa.
Make sure of it.
Nzakora uko nshoboye bameze neza. Wowe se?
I might try being myself for a while.
Nanjye ndaza kugerageza mbese sawa. N'ibinini arafite. Yari ari gukoresha telefone bita P37 ya Itel iri gusangwa mu maduka yose ya Itel mu gihugu. Niko ga telefone yari kuvugira ubonye ko iminsi yose yamaze ari kukirwa yigeza charginga kandi yari akivugira kuri P37 kugeza film irangiye. Ari byo ngubwira ngo iriya telefone ya P37 ishobora kubika umuriro iminsi ngahe 3 yikoresha utaracharginga. Yafashe ubwato ari imanukira na filime yacu nuko igenze isanga ku Agasobanuye films.com no mu ba DJ Imana yo mugisha ndabakunda cyane ukeneye kwamamaza kuri izi filime amakuru cyiciro gikuru cy'Agasobanuye 0785638333 ciao ciao.
Ndimumvura niruka ntaziyonderekeza nkurikiwe n'abamvuma ariko nawe utegeka ijambo rimwe gusa ryabaga rihagije ngo bakwire imishwaro bishwe n'ikimwaro ijwi ryawe ryuzuye imbaraga kugeza naho rirangurura ingoyi zose zigacika.